Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on reminders on the Pedometer application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the settings icon down below, which is the first option. Here you should scroll down to the settings section and click on set reminder. Here you have two options, daily report reminder and walking exercise reminder. In order to turn on any of these functions or both of them, tap on the relevant button. But first you need to go to your settings, so click on the button settings in order to allow the application to access your notifications. So click on the fourth option and turn it on by tapping on the allow notifications button. Then go back to your application, and here you should select the time when you would like to get your daily report reminder, and then you should select the days when you want to get this notification or reminder. Here you can also turn on the other option, walking exercise reminder, and you need to select the time and repetition as well, the repetition as well. So if you want it to be repeated, for example, every Sunday or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.